everyone, start off by leaving 2 sections of the hair from the front aside and then tie a ponytail with the rest of the hair. Taking one of the front sections, divide it into 2 portions and twist them one on top of the other as such. Do the same with the other side, join it all together in a ponytail at the back. Add a rubber band at the bottom, roll the hair in on itself through this middle section and then roll it upwards. Take this decorative rubber band and then wrap it around the bun that you have created. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Now gather the hair together and then tie a ponytail at the back, however make sure that it is more tilted towards one side. Add a rubber band in the middle of the section and then roll it upwards by making a cavity in the middle to begin with and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin at the top of it once you have made your bun. After this, take a multiple prong decorative pin and insert it through the top. Next, tie a ponytail to the hair, divide this ponytail into 2 parts, and then begin to make a fishtail braid out of it. That is, take sections from either side and then make them interchange in the middle. Continue to do this until you reach the middle section, lift it upwards and then tie it up at the base. Add a rubber band at the bottom, roll the hair in on itself through the section, and then wrap it around the bun. Taking the rest of the hair, divide it into 2 parts, twist it and wrap it around your bun, add a decorative clip. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Lift this upwards, use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place by pushing it downwards. Now let the rest of the hair be. Add a rubber band to the bottom of it and then tie it up in place. Now fold it upwards in order to pin it up in its place, and after lifting it upwards, use a decorative clip on top of this in order to make it look all the more aesthetically appealing. This is what the hairstyle will finally look like. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, lift this ponytail upwards and then take a small section of it, make a division in the middle as such. After you have done so, put your ponytail through this, wrap it up as such. Now take the rest of the hair, twist it and then insert this underneath as well. Put it in and twist it in as much as possible and hide it with the rest of the hair. After you are done with this, take a rubber band or a clip, add it to the bottom. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, add a rubber band in the middle of this ponytail section, make a division in it, roll it upwards and then pin it up in place after folding it over. Now use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place from the top as such. Now afterwards, take a mascara stick and then comb the hair into place in order to make it all the more even and make it stay all the more firmly. Tie a ponytail out of the hair and then, using a hair stick or the back of a comb, divide the hair into 2 parts. Now, taking the upper section of it to begin with, comb it in place and then take a hair stick and then starting from the bottom, roll this upwards, wrap it up around the hair stick and then roll it around. Adjust the hair around it as need be, make a bun out of it as such. Next, start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, divide it into 2 parts, and then begin to twist both of these sections. Before this, add a rubber band to the bottom and then roll it in on itself as such. After this, twist one on top of the other and then roll it up into a bun. Once you have rolled it up into a bun, you may use a rubber band in order to fasten it in its place, and then on top of this, you may also use a multiple prong pin to make it stay in its place. Thank you for watching.